Hi viewers, how are you? You are watching the our channel Craft India. You are watching air dry clay recipe. You are watching now bow bells, Halloween bells with clay, foam clay. You are watching a heart-shaped decoration piece made with the foam clay. You are watching the vase. You are watching the donuts, fake donuts made with the foam clay. You are watching clay teddy bear made with foam clay. You are watching the different characters made with the foam clay. You are watching the pizza, cake, and fake donuts made with the foam clay. You are watching different plants. You are watching the foam clay hedgehogs. You are watching fake strawberries made with the foam clay. You are watching the fake donuts, different design and color donuts. You are watching the mushrooms made with the clay. You are watching the lollipop made with the clay, fake lollipop, different colors. You are watching the fake foam clay ice cream cones. You are watching the different yellow color flowers, different design of flowers made with the foam clay. You are watching another design of flowers and leaves. You are watching purple color, different crafts made with the foam clay. You are watching different characters, cartoon characters, turtles made with the foam clay. You are watching the snowman made with the foam clay. You are watching the black and pink shade flowers made with the clay. You are watching the different colorful octopus made with the clay. You are watching ice cream, colorful ice cream made with the foam clay. You are watching the polymer clay cupcakes, fake cupcakes, beautiful and colorful. You are watching a cute spider made with the foam clay. You are watching different design of flowers and cartoon characters. You are watching the pencil toppers, cat shaped pencil toppers made with the foam clay. You are watching beautiful cute biscuits made with the foam clay. You are watching the cone ice creams, beautiful kitty made with the foam clay. You are watching purple and black flowers made with the foam clay. You are watching the pineapples, yellow and green shade made with the foam clay. You are watching fake donuts made with the clay.